Welcome to Simply Above Average Gaming. I'm One Man Gang and I'm back bringing you another video. This time it's our ProAm team. First game. Game number 1. Going against Clamp City Bearcats. We know we're running with 4 people. You know it's me, One Man Gang, J-DaGhostFaceKil, Kilo the boss, and the 38737. Man, we was thirsty to try to run the ProAm game, so we went ahead and ran with 4. Man, definitely not gonna make that mistake again. So anyway, here's a little game footage of like a short game footage of our first game, and we'll try to bring you more content as we can. We're gonna try to jump on now. Pause.
Oh, he might just text you.
Yeah, he said y'all in the party.
Man, they knocked down. Man, I ain't got to worry about it. Oh, they defense. What you doing, bud? What you doing, bud?
Oh, I shouldn't jump.
That was a shot. Like, out front to a creep back though.
There we go.
He gonna drive and kick it out.
Throw it down low.
Yeah, I did. That's good. I'm over here. To your right.
I couldn't see it.
There's green light.
Pookie got it though. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to go back and watch that.
I ain't even see John though. I got ball.
Good defense.
Woo!
Hey Bruce, what that is you hold?
They make a shot too.
Okay.
Oh, she kept going.
I should.
Hey, gonna faint like he drops a hole and go out to 3-point man.
I already knew. That's why I paid attention to it.
There you go.
Where the screen. Go ahead and beat it, John.
Who?
Oh, going good.
Too many bodies in that paint. Oh, I'm right there.
I see you, boy.
Jump. Good way not to jump.
Wanna get it? Go
with it.
What the hell just happened? He don't want it.
Here you go, John. Go over there.
Come on, do wait not to jump on that 3-point Chris.
Hey, I'll just say Bruce, please.
There you go, Jay. Get up.
Good shot, bro.
Good looks, man. Good looks. I got him, John. Y'all get back.
Get ball.
Oh, John should stay.
Down 5. So,
I'm glad you released it already.
No. Oh, come on, boy. And they got to start making me fall for this, bro. I'm not falling for this.
Good shot. Good shot.
That one, Jim.
Good one, John.
man, let's go, John. But you gotta keep John on the ground, that's all.
Yeah. I ain't still it. Let's go.
Come on, man, don't show me down there. I ain't doing
It should look like they running the zone.
Why they keep making me fall for that move, bro? He stepped up, he swing around. Yeah, there you go.
nothing.
Oh man, they tried to move me over there to get dumped on. Good shot. Damn, no shot.
Oh, oh my God.
Really? They my own.
So I didn't see that pass and take it.
Good shot, bro. In the corner. When you be in the corner, I'm gonna pass you the ball, and I'm gonna run over there and set a pick ball. I'm gonna come over there and set a pick for you so you shoot.
No, the ball's going right there.
Man, they let these make every time, bro.
And one.
Bro, really? What?
They reached that three. Yeah, the evil laugh on there.
Bucket. I don't know. Offensive 3 seconds on me while I've been trying to pass it to Pookie ever since I. So as you can see, you know, we just shooting bricks and we couldn't capitalize. They go down and score, we come down and shoot a hard brick, they go back down and score, and then either they shoot a 3 and we go for a 2, they shoot a 3, we just really could not capitalize.
Good shot, dude. Okay.
That's really what happened. That was the game. That really was the game. Them capitalizing on our mistakes, our turnovers.
What one cool? 6 only one I know make all them wide leads.
And there you have it. Game 1 in the books. We catch an L. Final score 74-64. Clemson City got the best of us. But hey, this was our first game with this Team ProAm, and you know we're not gonna go down for long. Oh yeah, I forgot. Another thing we gotta work on is our team chemistry. Make sure that we go in with a full squad. Go in with 5 people. Cannot go with the AI. The AI is unreliable. We're gonna have new content coming soon. More games. A top 10 all coming soon. Until next time, still afraid, it's my boy the 138737. Be blessed and get money.